In 2011, DaviPlata was born as an e-wallet to manage money directly on the phone. Through the years, it has broken all the paradigms that rule the financial system. Since its first release, it can be activated without signatures, documents, and procedures. It allows to transfer money between smartphones, pay bills, transfer money from bank accounts, and make withdrawals at ATMs at no cost and without cards. DaviPlata has offered millions of people who have never had a financial product a safe and simple solution to manage their money. Also provide a solution to pay utility bills through the phone. That is why it has become the main way to distribute government subsidies to millions of people across the country. It has also been used by companies to pay salaries to their employees and by people living abroad to send remittances to Colombia. DaviPlata has contributed to breaking other boundaries, being the first financial solution able to provide financial services to people with disabilities in Latin America. Since 2017, through the Tecla de la Casita Roja, the first financial key in the world, DaviPlata allows transactions from social media chats. Since 2019, through the virtual card, DaviPlata has given millions of Colombians access to the benefits of the e-commerce and the digital world. In recent years, DaviPlata has opened new options for small businesses that can receive payments with QR codes in minutes. Recently, it started offering savings pockets, which help people conquer their dreams, microcredits to clients without credit history, and microinsurance for people, pets, and bicycles. And this is just the beginning. DaviPlata has become an open white label solution that has integrated into different ecosystems such as the super app of the first Colombian unicorn and the smart city platform of Medellin. Thus, it enables transfers from any source, reducing the use of cash and making people's lives easier. For all this, DaviPlata has been recognized as a successful financial innovation by prestigious organizations worldwide, such as Harvard Business Review, Consulting Group to Assist the Poor, Felaban, Better Than Cash, Commercial Investment Trust, Accenture, Celent Model Bank, and Fintech Americas, among others. DaviPlata, an ecosystem for all.